Luna and the Firefly's Glow. A short moral story. Luna was a curious little girl who loved exploring the forest near her home. One evening, as she wandered under the silver moonlight, she spotted a tiny flickering light dancing in the air. It was a firefly, glowing like a star in the dark. "Wow! Your light is so beautiful!" Luna exclaimed. The firefly twinkled and replied, "Thank you, but my glow is only special because of the darkness around me." Luna thought for a moment. "But aren't you afraid of the dark?" she asked. The firefly chuckled. "No, little one. Without darkness, my light wouldn't shine at all. We all have something special inside us, but we must believe in ourselves, even when things seem tough." Luna smiled, understanding the firefly's wisdom. From that night on, whenever she felt scared or uncertain, she remembered the tiny firefly and how its glow shone the brightest in the darkest times. Moral: our true strength shines when we face challenges with courage and belief in ourselves. Thank you for watching.